everyone, welcome once again to Cooking with Tita right here in my kitchen. Today I would like to share my goat curry recipe. So come on, cook with Tita and let's go through our ingredients. I have 6 pounds of goat meat over here. I already tenderized that. When I pressure cook that, I put 2 fresh rosemary like this. If you don't have fresh, put 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, 1 teaspoon of dry thyme or 1 stick like this, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and I put 1 tablespoon of salt and 3 to 4 bay leaf. Okay, that's my flavoring. And then 2 cups of water. So that's that. It's already tenderized. It took me 25 minutes. Okay, now if you're gonna tenderize it on a stove top, I think it's gonna take 2 to 3 hours, but it depends how much meat you have there and how tender you wanted it to be. Okay, so that's that. 2 bell peppers. Okay, I'm gonna chop that. 1 onion. If you know me, always 1 bowl of garlic. Fresh ginger root. If you don't have fresh one, just put 1 teaspoon of ginger root, the powder, what I'm trying to say. 2 tomatoes. 3 carrots. Some scallions, or should I say spring onions. And of course, my herbs. I have sage. A little of this goes a long way. What I mean is half a teaspoon if you got the dried one, or just like this. Okay? And then I have fresh thyme. If you have a fresh one, this much. So it's probably 1 teaspoon dried. Okay? And then the rosemary, just like this, because I already put rosemary in there. 2 of these things. Okay? Like I said, if you have a dried one, just half a teaspoon with your curry. For our spices, we want 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon, when I say tablespoon, measuring tablespoon, this tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of that, which is the chicken bouillon. Okay, we're gonna have to use some oil for sauteing our ingredients. 1 tablespoon cumin, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 can of regular milk, coconut milk that is. And if you want your goat curry to be nice and creamy or thick, use coconut cream. If you don't, just use 3 cans of coconut milk. Okay, so we have 1 can, a small one, you know, let me see how many ounces is that. 4 ounces of curry paste, you know, yellow or spicy. Okay, curry paste. All right, so anywho, that's all of our ingredients. I'm gonna chop my vegetable and I will show you how it looks and how to put them together. Okay, so I chopped all my ingredients. This is how it looks. And while we're chopping our ingredients, we have wok preheating over here. So now that we're here, let's crank it up to high now. Put some oil, about 3 tablespoons. Now let's put our garlic. Our wok was already preheated, so it's really nice and hot. With that, we're going to put our chopped up onion. Okay. Yeah. Okay, and then our tomatoes, just squeeze it around like so, and then our ginger root. I grated my ginger root. It's about 2 tablespoons of grated ginger root. Okay, fresh. If you're using dried one, use about 1 tablespoon. Okay, we're gonna put our curry paste in there, squeeze them around so that the flavor would really combine together, you know. Now with that, we're going to put our spices. I already told you about the spices: chili, cumin, curry powder, you know, and so on and so forth. So we're gonna put that in there. We're gonna quickly combine them together. You don't want that to burn, okay? We just wanna toast the spices, okay, to let the property or the oil comes out, okay? If you just wanna use coconut milk, use coconut milk, all coconut milk. But I want my curry really creamy, or should I say thick. So I am using 2 cans of regular milk. Scrape up all of the goodies inside because it's really creamy. See that? Okay, that's where the goodies that's where the goodies hides. Okay, there you go. See? So the total of 3 cans of coconut milk. Okay, so go ahead and mix it really good. Okay, when they start doing, you know, bubbling on the edge, we're going to put the rest of our ingredients all together. Okay, so see, now it's bubbling, so let's do it. Okay, we're gonna take the meat out of here with a slotted spoon or spider, what I call this spider. Okay, like that. Now if you come across the herbs like that we put in there, just take them out. Let's put that in here closer because I was kind of struggling over there. Anyway, so be careful. By the way, this meat is with skin. I told my butcher to leave the skin on. We got all the meat in there, right? So we're gonna go ahead and, oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Mixed in thoroughly. Submerge all the meat in there. Okay, like that. All right, now remember, the meat, it's already tenderized. We're going to put the carrots now, a little bit of rosemary, because remember we already put some herbs, you know, when we were tenderizing the meat. And then this is thyme, fresh from your garden. Put about 1 teaspoon. Okay, sage, about half a teaspoon. Like I said, half a teaspoon. Sage goes a long way. You don't need a lot. Okay, look at that. I mean, if you just have a smell elevations, guys, it's really all the spices, all the herbs that we put in there, so delightful. Now we're gonna put our bell peppers. Okay, you don't have to put that much bell peppers if you don't want to. 1, it's enough. Okay, but like I said, for me, the more the better. Let's mix this together. All right. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so smelling delicious. So delish. When your hard vegetable get tender, go ahead and try the taste of your finished products, okay? Before you switch off your heat. Now, if you think you need more like salt, put salt. But me, in the other hand, I would put, my preference is fish sauce, okay? Fish sauce. Now, if you don't want fish sauce, you can use salt, okay? So, let's simmer this, but kinda mix it once in a while because you don't want the bottom to burn, okay? Oh my goodness, guys. Guys, my goodness, smells so good. Now, this is one of my husband's favorite. My goat dishes. Lamb, goat, things in that nature. Anyway, now let's lower our heat, okay? Because I am going to wait until my carrots get tender. All right, medium heat, and then mix it once in a while until your carrots get tender, okay? All right, guys, our carrots are tender, so let's put our scallions or our green onion, or should I say spring onion, and let's mix it thoroughly, and then we are going to taste our yum. It looks so good and delicious, smelling delicious, smelling yummy for my tummy. Anyway, so now, like I said, let's taste our final products. Let's take some out. See how thick that is? Like I said, if you don't want it thick, you can use just coconut milk. You know, whatever, how much ever you want to put in there. You know what I mean? So, okay. Let me try this. Oh my goodness, this is really tender, guys. Tender, see? Wow. That's it's too hot. Whew. Let me see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Woo. Smells so good. I can't handle it no more. I'm drooling. Oh my goodness. So delish. So delish, guys. The spices, the herbs that we put in there, so divine. So divine. We're gonna turn off the heat and we're gonna serve now. And if I may add, you can serve this with the rice, or you can eat this with the naan bread or whatever you desire, or by itself. So here you go, guys. Once again, I shared my recipe with you guys. I hope you like my recipe, which I know you will. It's so delicious. Delicious and easy. So, until we cook again, guys, right here in my kitchen, when you cook with Tita, enjoy, and like I always say, bon appetit. Bye.